Good evening. Glad you're with us tonight. I'm Brandon Bartlett.
And I'm Shelley Kirk. Convicted murderer Pharoah Newton was back in a Vanderbilt County court today asking for early release. But some familiar with the case say he shouldn't be let out anytime soon.
A former Vanderbilt County deputy coroner telling us tonight this was one of the most horrific cases he has ever worked. Eyewitness News' John Yealy reports.
What makes the case so memorable to me is just the sheer brutality of it. This is somebody that obviously was not struck by any kind of conscience while they were committing these acts.
Madden served as a deputy coroner during the arrest and murder trial of Pharoah Newton in the 2010 death of 79-year-old Frances Wolf.
The victim, by all accounts, everyone that we talked to said that she really was just a very generous woman. Apparently did a lot for the community, helped out all the people around her.
Madden says Newton had been renting a downstairs room from Wolf, and when he learned she might be stashing cash, he went for her.
Apparently in the process of trying to get her to divulge the location of the money, he became violent and eventually ended up killing her. I think probably what was most striking was the fact that there were a lot more injuries than would have been necessary to cause her death. In other words, it wasn't just a matter of someone gets a blow to the head and dies from it, or gets stabbed and dies from it. The altercation took place over a period of time, and so a lot of the wounds that she received were not life-threatening, but certainly would have been awful nonetheless.
According to Madden, it is unlikely Newton will be released anytime soon, despite his motion filed for post-conviction relief.
I'm sorry, I don't have any reason to believe that 12 years in prison is enough to change somebody like that, and I don't think that it does justice to the victim and the family and loved ones of the victim.
Eyewitness News reached out to the victim's family and did not yet receive a response. If Newton's motion for post-conviction relief fails, he still has 48 years left on a 60-year sentence. Under Indiana law, after serving half that, he could ask to be released in 2039. John Yealy, Eyewitness News.